Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert normal video to slow motion. The first thing you want to do is find a video that you would like to convert. So let's say for example this recording. Now to convert it to slow motion, you'll tap on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner right beside the trash can. After tapping on the three dashes, you're going to tap on the icon in the top right hand corner that looks like a speedometer right beside the three dots, and you're going to see the option playback speed, and from here you'll just decrease the playback speed. So for example, if we were to decrease it by 50%, you can see it right there. And by the way, you can see at the bottom, so for example if I were to play it right there, you can see that it is currently in slow motion. And you can adjust the sections that you would like to be in slow motion by simply pulling along the slider at the bottom. So for example, if I were to tap on play now, you can see that the first part of the video is not in slow motion. If it is the first part alone you'd like to be in slow motion, you can simply pull the slider at the bottom to the first part of the video. Then I could tap on play now, so I could carry it all the way to the front. Then if I were to tap on play, you can see that it starts right there, and we can slow it down even further by tapping on the icon in the top right hand corner once more, and I could carry it to, for example, let's say 12%, and if we were to tap on play, you can see right there it has completely slowed down. Carry it to 20%, and you can see the speed right there, so you can adjust it to your liking. Once you're finished, you'll tap on done in the top right hand corner to save the changes. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.